Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to cash out or transfer money to your bank account from Cash App. So what we're going to do is launch our Cash App. And from the homepage of our Cash App, we can see our current balance down here in the bottom left-hand corner. I currently have 30 bucks and I'd like to cash some of this out to my bank account. So to do this, we're going to click on our balance right down here. And right here at the top, it has our cash balance, and we have the option to either add cash or cash out. In this instance, I'm going to be cashing out, so I'm going to select that option here. Now, if you don't already have a bank account linked up to your Cash App, we can do this going back to the home page. In the upper right-hand corner, we have our little icon. We can click on that. And in our account area, if we scroll down, we can see where there's linked banks. We can click on that. And then if you have not already linked a debit card, you'll have the option to do so in this area. And after you link a debit card, you also get the additional options to link a bank account as well as a credit card. But this is going to be the bank account that I'm going to send the money over to. So going back to my account balance and then clicking cash out. And of the 30, let's say I wanted to cash out half of it, so 15 bucks. If we go down here towards the bottom, it says a standard cash out, which is going to take some business days to go through. That will be a free option. Otherwise, you can get the funds instantly, but there is going to be a fee associated with that. So make sure you understand if you want it instantly that there's going to be a fee. Otherwise, we can just do the free option standard. And it takes maybe about 3 to 5 seconds, and once it successfully goes through, it says the $15 will be available in your bank account at Tuesday. And then I can click done here at the bottom. And my cash balance has now been reduced from 30 down to 15. So I hope this video is helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how you cash out or transfer money from your Cash App balance to a bank account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.